How to link data between two workbooks in MS Excel. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can link data between two separate MS Excel workbooks. So as here you can see, we are currently in this first workbook with some data right here. So now let us link this particular data to some another workbook. So for that, let's first create a separate workbook. So in order to create a separate workbook, you can simply press the Ctrl and N key combinations, and you can see that we have created a separate workbook. So this is our workbook number 2, which is currently blank, and this is our workbook number 1, which contains this data. So now let me show you how you can link this data to this second workbook. So for example, let me link the data for these particular months. So all you will need to do is simply select that particular data that you want to link, and then you need to right click and click onto this copy option, or alternatively you can also choose to press the Ctrl and C key combinations. Now let us move back to our workbook number 2. We will be pasting the data here, but we just don't need to paste it like this. What we will need to do is simply right click, and from here you can see this option that says paste special. So simply click onto this paste special, and from here you can see this particular dialog box. Now in this dialog box, you need to click onto this paste link button. Once you click onto this paste link, you can see that the same data has been also pasted into this workbook number 2. Now in order to make sure that the data has been linked, what I can do is simply move back to the previous workbook and change some of the data. So for example, let me change the January data to, let's say, 55555. So I have added 5 times 5, and let us see by going back to the second workbook if the data has been changed there or not. And here you can see that in the second workbook as well, the data has been successfully changed. This also works for other entries as well. So for example, instead of March, let us add another month. So for example, let's say November. And once I have done it to November, let us move back to the second workbook, and from here also you can see that this data has also been updated, and we can confirm that both the second workbook and the first workbook have been successfully linked. So that's how easily you can link data between two workbooks in MS Excel. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.